we're back in the garden again. This is just going to be an ASMR. I'm not sure if you could hear me, but I wanted to show you what I did with the veggie patch in the permaculture. So here we are. This is it. I'm trying to keep it steady. It's been raining. It's Monday here in Middle Earth. It's not Australia. This is New Zealand. I don't know if some of you Americans that watch my channel, if you know where New Zealand is, leave a comment below. Now this is the garden that I planted yesterday, and I showed you the plants, and this is what we did. Okay, here we are. So these are like all the pumpkins, they're already growing since yesterday. That pumpkin there has got bigger already. And because it's been raining, and it's raining now, this is really good for all the seeds I put down. I put down heaps of seeds as well, and some flowering bulbs. So let's have a look. This is what I did. You see, and this is the section where we had to get extra dirt to fill in these planter boxes, and I think we still have to get more dirt. So can you see those are the sweet peas there? I've actually got this video on Zoom today. That's sweet peas. And I think the one in the middle here is a runner bean. So, yeah. Down here is all little baby spinach. The little baby spinach here. That. It's raining now, guys. Here we go. If anyone knows the name of this cabbage, I've forgotten the name of it. But there's a row of them. There. No, that's lettuce. Silly me. Lettuce. Go. So, as soon as it stops raining, that lawn that's gone wild over there is going to be mowed, and all the grass clippings are going to be put on top of this, but I might have to get more dirt. So let's say tomato. That was capsicum. More tomato plants, and I've put in lots of sunflower seeds. So those ones are carrots here. These ones, I'm not sure. What's that? What is that? Broccoli. Yeah, that one there is broccoli. Yeah, it's a row of broccoli. And I think that one there is cucumber Lebanese, the one I'm looking at right now. That's gonna be like a running plant. Now here we go. Here's the rest of it. That's more sweet peas. Yeah, sweet peas. More runner beans. See, it's raining now. I don't know if you can see the rain or not. Probably not. It's raining. And that's a watermelon. I'm so excited. I so have to show off my new garden. This is kale. So that's all the kale. This one here. Let's have a look. I swear to God, it's already growing. In one day, it's already growing. It seriously has got bigger in one day only. That's zucchini. Here is another planter. I think those are capsicums. Yeah, those are capsicums. And parsley here, parsley. More runner beans, these ones. And I've put them underneath a bush here because I want them to grow up over the bush. So here we have it. And this is the herb garden here. Show you. Those are chives. This is mint. More chives. And rosemary. More parsley. I don't know why we got so much parsley. And more chives. I'm not sure what this one is. I think it might be cilantro. So there you have it, guys. That's it. That's the garden. There it is. And I put lots of sunflower seeds. So this summer when all the flowers have come up, all the sunflowers and all the bulbs, I will do another video and show you. And we will be making a scarecrow. from eating the tomatoes when they come up. So that's the veggie patch. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.